Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add FAQ in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you have to open and log into your Wix account. And then from here, you just have to select the site that you want to add the FAQ. Okay, so for example, I would like to add an FAQ in this website. So you just have to click on it. And then right here, just go and click on apps and then click on app market. And then from here, you just have to use the search bar at the top and then just search for FAQ and you'd be able to see this application. So just simply click on this one. Then after that, you just have to click on add to site. Okay, that's right. And then here, you just have to go to editor. Okay, so just click on this one and you'd be directed to this page. And if it does not gonna work, just click on open and you'd be directed to this page right here. Okay, so now just click on the add to site option. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the FAQ. So from here, you can now start managing the FAQs or you can go to your settings. Okay, so you can customize this one, you can edit the font, you can edit the text, of course. So you just have to make sure that you have added a new page where you are going to add your FAQ. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.